Ha So-hee and Lost star Ryu Jun-yeol. This couple have ended their relationship weeks after making it official. Netizens were absolutely floored at the sudden news, as the two only acknowledged their relationship on 15th March 2024. It only publicly lasted for 2 weeks. They turned their criticism to Ryu Jun-yeol, as he had been quick to confirm the breakup but slow to respond to the initial news of the relationship. Things got complicated when his ex-girlfriend Hyri got tangled up in the matter. After multiple rounds of personally addressing the matter on Ha So-hee's end, it seems like the two have called it quits. aespa Kareena Lee Jae-wook. The blossoming romance between Lee Jae-wook and aespa's Kareena has come to an unexpected halt. Reports emerged on 2nd April, courtesy of Tenacia, revealing that the couple had decided to part ways after just 5 weeks since publicly announcing their relationship. Responding to the news, a representative from Lee Jae-wook's agency, CJ's, confirmed the breakup, saying, Lee Jae-wook decided on the breakup in order to focus on the project he is currently filming. The two decided to remain as colleagues who support each other, further adding, they will each greet fans through good activities from their respective positions going forward. Please show lots of warm interest and support. The announcement of their relationship had initially captured the attention and hearts of fans in February, as both Lee Jae-wook and Kareena publicly acknowledged their romantic involvement. However, it seems that their journey together has reached an untimely conclusion, leaving admirers of the couple surprised and undoubtedly curious about the reasons behind their split. Bright and Win. Bright and Win has been favorite of all the BL fans for decades now. Their bond with each other in real life was more beautiful than their bond in drama. Everyone believed that they are a couple in real life because their bond and chemistry was so pure in real life, and the things they were doing for each other in real life they have never done for any other friends in their life. They gifted expensive things to each other on their birthday. No colleague or co-actors ever done this for each other. This made everyone love them as couple in real life. However, recently Bright has confirmed his relationship with Nene, and now fans are very much happy for Bright and Nene as they found the love in real life in each other. But some Bright Win fans are really sad to know that Bright and Win are no longer with each other now. So this friendship has been come to end in real life now. Ahn Bo-hyun and Blackpink's Jisoo. Within a few months of dating, popular K-pop idol Jisoo and actor Ahn Bo-hyun decided to end their relationship. The couple had confirmed their romance in August this year, and in October, buzz about their breakup made headlines. Jisoo's agency YG confirmed the same. It is true that Jisoo and Ahn Bo-hyun broke up. JTBC Entertainment News quoted an insider stating that Jisoo and Ahn Bo-hyun's relationship became distant due to their busy schedules, leading to their breakup.